Hi, Vinay from the Competency Tech, and we'll see how we can use the Indian rupee symbol with a date. So let's say we have a one column, item name, and we have a column price. So here we will give item name and here we will give price. Okay. So for that, the insert menu is having a symbol. Okay. So by default here some different font will be there, like Arial will be there. Okay. Fine. Okay. So as it is Indian currency symbol, so we'll go for any Hindi language font. Like by default, if you see here with Excel you will get KALAM, Kalam font. Okay. And here select Devanagari. Okay. Here select Hindi font Kalam and here select Devanagari. Go down, you will get a rupee symbol. So when you double click the rupee symbol, it will come here. So previous I did, that is why it is there, otherwise this rupee symbol was not here previous. Okay. Double click. So now this also came. Okay. So this is here, insert. Fine. Okay, so we'll go to another cell. We'll go to another cell, come here, select the rupee symbol and insert. Close. So we have rupee symbol here. Now we will select this column from here and unselect the price area. Select these and unselect this. Okay, select from here. Okay, right click, sorry, first we will copy this, select from here, let's say up to 100, let me select. Okay, go to top, right click and there is a format cell. If you go to format cell, there is a custom. So these are, see, dollar symbols are there, but there is no rupee symbol, right? So for example, we'll take any one. I will take this one. Okay. So this is coming here. Okay. So this dollar we will replace by rupee symbol. Okay. Like this. And click on OK button. Let's see if I write 100. See, 100 rupees is coming. I will write item 1, 100 rupees. Item 2. Okay, I will select both and drag let's see. Okay, so these are the item. So here suppose this price is around 500, just type 500. Okay, that symbol will come here. Okay, here font is different, that is why it is coming different. Now if I give 600 rupees will come, 700 rupees will come. So this is coming like this. 23 and 0. So this rupee symbol is coming automatically. But if you go to the format, that rupee symbol is not there, dollar symbol is there. But if you want to use the rupee symbol instead of the dollar symbol, then you need to go to the symbol, font, select column. There is one more font is there, that is column light. This also you can select, and this side you need to select Devanagari. Go down, sorry, just down. Devanagari. See, this rupee symbol is there. If you double click, it will come here. Select this. So for that, sorry, then it will come to this any cell. Copy this, select the column up to whatever row I selected that time, up to 100. Right click, format. Okay, see, now here custom rupees is coming. Okay, previous it was coming for dollar only, right? So whenever you will write, if you select this one, let's see what will happen. Right click, format cell, custom. See, this is coming. Once you have done for one, so it is coming here. So you can select from here. Okay, so this is how we can use the rupee symbol with the price. Okay, so it's very easy, and I have given the step how to do. Thank you. So if you like this video, just click on subscribe button to get more useful videos that you can utilize, and please don't forget to click on the bell icon button. Thank you.